Hello, people of YouTube. So my goal was to have the metal roof done on this and my orange house before it got hot. Well, newsflash, it's South Carolina, it's hot. It's, I don't even know what date it is, it's March something, but yeah, it's already hot. So what I am doing right now is I am measuring everything for the metal roof. So if you've never did a metal roof, actually pretty simple. Like anybody with any basic construction can put on a metal roof. So you have a couple of pieces of metal roof. So you have your ridge cap goes along the top. You have the actual metal roof. You have the drip plate, which goes along the bottom of this bolt here. And then you have your rake. The rake is the side piece. So pretty simple. So I'm measuring everything up today. I want to go ahead and get the order in for the metal roof ASAP. And doing that right now. So walk inside. So not much has changed. Just have some stuff set up. Just built my little table, set up, changing my blade, got some new blades. Go in here. These are my 2x6s. So I am going along the rafters and I'm going to put those 2x6s probably not in quite in the middle, but gonna brace everything up. It's 2x6s. Going to brace that up. This is done all wrong. So nothing I can really do at this point but to try to patch it and move on. So it's about where we all, you got stuff like this. Technically you're supposed to have that metal thing there. I'm going to have to fix that. I'm probably going to frame that in and then hammer it up. And then once it's all in place, do something. Just do something. Seeing this room. It is what it is. It's coming along. Need to go faster. Once I get that metal roof ordered, I'm working on the roof today. The next week or so, I'm gonna patch this roof. Once I get the roof done, probably start running electrical. We got some mold clean out we're doing, but nothing serious. Definitely gonna upgrade this electrical, but we have power on right now, so that's good. See the light, and it's good to be able to work on it. So I'm gonna leave that power on until I switch over, and then when I switch everything over, switch was the new breaker box. But yeah, that's where we're going. Changing the blade on this. This is not the nicest saw in the world, but it'll work for what we are doing. I bought some new blades. One of my favorite things I ever bought is this Ryobi link kit. So it's a rolling tool tray. That's one. That's 2, 3. You can put anything in there. I love that. So I just bought this Ryobi 15-inch, 10-inch, 15 amp, 10-inch saw. Should be good. I have one like this one time. Me and my dad literally beat that thing to death. It was probably the best saw I've ever had. Still waiting. All of these bushes is gonna have to get ripped out. I'm gonna have to put dirt in this and build this up. If you look at this, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. This just drains down. Everything drains down. This has to be changed. No matter what you do, if you keep having all the water drain there, it's gonna soak up water. Gonna put gutters on this house. I hate putting gutters, but got to put gutters on it. So all these bushes is gonna get tore out. I hate killing stuff, so this is going to hurt me, but yeah, gonna have to rip these bushes out. They've been here God only knows how long, but rip them out. But coming along, coming along. to walk over to this house a little bit. The first one was completely remodeled, so it's like a brand new house inside. The second one, the guy who lived there, he's worked on it, so it's a lot nicer. It's in good shape. The crappy one of the bunch. So 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I've ever mentioned on this channel, but this came with 3.5 acres. So this is a huge lot of land. The land goes back. It's a lot of land. I'm probably not going to do anything with the land, but yeah. When I have the guy come and do the grading, I'm probably going to have him tear up all these bushes. And yeah, it's coming along, people. It's coming along.